Hi guys. The Great East Japan Earthquake. Yamato Transport's response. Case solution and analysis. CEO Kikawa of Yamato Transport gave his supervisors orders right following the catastrophe that was triple strike on the Tohoku region of Japan to do anything it requires to save lives and not to war. Why about prices? He also believed he needed to face the authorities to make contributions to the affected district tax-free. He also needed to give 10 yen per takuban package the business was delivering as aid funds for Tohoku, but was wondering how this suggestion would be reacted to by the investors. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.